Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by the square root of n on numerator and the denominator. So we have like this. So this one we have n. This one we have n, and similar in here. Next, we divide by the square root of n. So we have like this. Next, the square root of n go inside the square root in here. So that should be like this. So this one we have number 1. And now we need to convert this one into the summation. So that should be like this. And we know that number 1, that is about 1 minus 0. So in this one, we can see that this is about the width. This is about the length. So this one and this one, that is about the rectangle. So in this situation, we can convert this one into the integration from 0 to number 1. And this one we change for x. So this one, that is about 1 plus x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Because this is about 1 over 2. So if we want to this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative sign in here. And now we have the final answer. So we put number 1 and number 0 cone here. So if we simplify it, and this is the final answer. Number 2 with the square root of number 2 minus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.